this is Panu from Potion 8 and I'm gonna turn myself into a goblin. More so, let's see. I have built myself some goblin ears, this witch's nose, which will make a great goblin nose, whatever. There's some latex to even out the rough edges, it'll blend nicely. And we have the goblin body paints, and today I just bought this little shade for some dimmer colors, maybe right under the eyes. We have some skin glue, and also today I bought this mastic remover so I can actually get rid of the goblin noses and ears, so I don't have to go to the grocery store with the whole getup. And also I bought the bolt cap, but as I have never ever done this before, I'm not going to go into the bolt cap today, but that will make a fun little short maybe at some point. This time let's just get rid of it. And then we have these basic, these are miniature slash like acrylic brushes, but hopefully they will do. But let's see, I think this is gonna be an interesting experiment. Okay, I think the setup is just fine. First off, I think I'll be gluing these ears on and then maybe the nose, fill up with some latex to cover up the rough edges and blend them on my face. And after all is said and done, I'll be covering myself with this green goblin paint and do a little shades. Hopefully by the end of the day I'll get rid of all the stuff on my face. Let's get on with it. Okay, so gluing on the ears. I think the nose is something that frightens me the most. That's stinky. Should I like rub it on in here? Maybe? Yeah, I'll just do that. I have no idea how much do I need this. Probably not too much. Avoid the hair. No. I don't know how long it will take to actually be glued on. So now I just wait. No, it's definitely not on. Do I need more glue? No, it's very loose. Let's fill it up with more glue. Come on. Good thing to check that whether this was even the glue bottle. I was hoping it to be like, I can't snap with my finger. With my left hand holding better, but not tight enough. Kind of holding, but I can feel it giving up. Oh man. I think it's fine. Let's say it's fine. Next time when we're actually filming in the wilderness, I'll add like a crap tons of glue. Okay, so I think the better approach is to put the glue on the skin instead of the ear, but because it's hard to aim, I think I'll need to also glue the ear as well, rubber ear or whatever. But then I'll put also some glue here just in case. There's never enough glue. It will be fun to get rid of afterwards. So now with the other ear, then we wait. Now the other stupid ear is falling off. Might as well put some more glue into it. The bolt cap is there on purpose as a reminder of what's coming. Testing out, testing. Now the other one's not fitting, but this one is actually okay. The other one needs more glue. Tiny bit won't do diddle, so I need to put it way more. I'm kind of like eager to wait. I'm feeling like I should start putting in the nose at the same time, so then I'll be holding both of these. I don't want to waste time like watching tutorials or actually knowing what to do. That's a complete waste of time. The nose scares me. Come on, stupid ear, please hold. I'm going to use like actual super glue just so I don't have to wait. I can feel it like unraveling, and also it's sticky all over. It's not holding at all. More glue. Come on, I want to move on. Please stick. I don't want to put more glue into it. Must be enough. It's almost an icky, but it's not sticking. God, could it be that there's too much glue? It's not being able to dry. That's nonsense. I'm gonna cut this because there's nothing to see here. Moving on, I don't think the left ear is properly glued on, but it's good enough. I'm sick of waiting. I want to move on. I want to put it in the nose. It's all the nose here. I'll just roll this. Yeah, that's the glue that nose. Here. A lot of glue. There can never be enough glue. Experience learned from the episodes with the ears. Glue. I got some glue. Oh, there's already a hair. No, it's not a hair. It's glue hair. Worst hair of all. Yeah, this is much more. This is so light. It sticks way better, but my nose is in a container filled with glue air, and I need to breathe with my mouth. And now wait for the nose. I think the nose will be just fine. Starting to look a little bit like a goblin. So now, latex rubber milk. Am I supposed to like mix this with something? This is not a cosmetic product. Shake well before use. Okay. little test here. Maybe on my skin. Do I just smear it on? Now, this is the point where I should look some sort of tutorial. How to use this whatever latex rubber milk. But instead, I'm just going to go ahead and try it out. Live and learn. That's the Goblin way. I don't even know if I need this. But as I bought it, I better use it. Yes. Oh, I'm feeling it in my eyes. Is this normal? Am I going blind? Some actual makeup artist is probably laughing there. I'm doing everything wrong. Let's put some in my ears. Let's fill it with some latex. Buttermilk latex. Rubber milk latex. Yeah. I'm having like the feeling that I should maybe mix the latex with something. Oh god, it's in my eyes. Well, it's not in my eyes, but it feels like it's in my eyes. I think I need more. More is always good. Little is good, more must be better. Need more latex. Yeah, this is actually like, look, it's chunking up. The other ear is falling apart. That's enough. Okay, you know, this is a trial. This is a beta test. Okay, so now with the Diamond FX. This here. And FYI, this is no like promotional stuff of any kind. This probably makes these cosmetic items look bad because I don't know how to use them. I imagine these work much like these watercolors. Slight amount of water and then just put it all in because I guess this doesn't do shit. Yeah, so I need water. Okay, I would dip this in here because that'll make it too moist. Let's get a little cotton swab and smear. Okay, let's do it the way that I said I wouldn't do. More water. Whoa, this is like super light green. I'm gonna be a light green goblin. Oh, light water. More water. Okay, there we go. Everything's green. Too much water. Too much. I knew it was a bad idea to sink up the whole sponge. First off, very uneven, but then we'll start blending it out. No worries. I think I need to use the pencil with the ears just to make sure that they won't fall off in this critical moment of my goblin life. Also, next time I'm going to use some sort of better video form because I think the resolution is all smudgy. I'm using the Camo app because that's the only way I've been able to connect to the OBS and get a decent free video straight from my phone, but using the sound card from the Windows. Okay, do I dare to smear the nose? Yes, I suppose. More water. Oh crap, too much water. Okay, first the eyes. Then I'll use a pencil and now it's dripping all over. Also, I don't think I've done my eyebrows yet. Everything must go. Am I goblin yet? Getting there. Yeah. The issue is that the sponge is too moist. The equal amount I'm spreading it on, I'm also like swiping it off. Let's switch up to the dry sponge. Will this do better? No. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, I think this is way better. F the sponge. From now on, I'm a brush man. Look at them go. So much more even. Now with the nose. Yeah, definitely. As I'm already basically like a half a pro. Here's a little pro tip for you when using this stuff. Definitely use a pencil, not this crappy makeup sponge. Let's see how the color sets on the nose. This was something I was vaguely afraid of, whether it actually sticks. But the merchant told me it should work. Get the hairline. Yeah, this side's looking alright. Still some way to go. More water. The nose isn't picking up the color nearly as well as my skin, but it shall do. Come on, stupid nose. Get green. Witchy vibes. It looks questionable, the nose. It's a goblin nose. Oh, there's so much work. Get in there. Paint needs to be more runny. It's taking forever. I mean, it's okay for your face, but the nose isn't picking the color nearly as well. Getting distracted from the nose because it's so sucky to color it. I want to color something else. Let's come back to the nose. Stupid people. Get green. Now I'm getting, instead of glue fumes, I'm getting paint fumes. Yeah, it's getting green. Greener. Everything's getting greener. You know what? The nose doesn't need to be perfect. I just decided this will be a great base coloring for the nose. I won't be washing it off. Just hoping the nose comes off of my face. It brings a little texture. If there's like these spores, they look like blackheads. Clogged spores. Okay, come on. Double speed. Okay, the next pain in the ass will be the ears. Oh man. And to get one's back in. Now. get this there. I'm tripping balls, man. You know what? For the sake of experiment and this taking way too long than I expected, I'm just gonna frame it here. I'm just going to do my head. I won't be doing my hands like anymore for the sake of this tryout. Let's just stick with the head because I need to do some shading and I need to do the stupid ears and I need to take these off. The ears are taking the color way better than the nose. The ears are like this hard plastic. The nose was some sort of gooey, soft latex or something. I'm painting my hair, but that doesn't actually even matter because I have a little goblin hat to go with. And that is the reason I didn't need the bald cap today. So I can hide my filthy goblin hair. What do you think? Should goblins have hair or not? And then we're going to go full on into the ear. This is the nice part. Just get in there. I think it's looking alright. Yeah, that is fine. That is perfect. Perfect ears. Now the other one. Ears were actually way easier than the nose. Okay, how's it looking? How's it looking? The ears alright, yeah, right. Slightly on the forehead, getting there. Kind of annoyed that the nose there, the little flap on the corner is kind of loose, but I don't think there's anything I can do it at this point. I just need to glue it better. More glue next time. Slightly even out. Something I'm kind of getting sick of this. I think I'm ready to move on. Maybe the eyes I could do a little bit better. I think this was a mistake. I should have definitely gone to the grocery store now. I could be like, what are you looking at, buddy? Okay, I think this is the goblin base. So next I will take this little darker color. God, I hate this camera app. I've started doing a little shading. I'm gonna use a little smaller brush. Maybe this one. I'm getting a feeling that I'm like ruining these perfectly good miniature paint brushes. Moving on to the highlights. Let's see how this goes. I was thinking a little highlights maybe on the lips, behind the eyes. Well, you can hardly see the color, but I think it's alright. Then maybe under the nose hole. Oh, I'm poking all over. Pimple needs a little bit shade too. And I'm gonna need a bigger brush for the eyes. No, that's too big. I'm messing this all up, am I? Maybe, probably, but whatever. I'm trying things out. Yeah, that's way better. Started with the way too big of a brush. This needs to be slightly evened out. Yes. Covering things up. Perfect grime. What else? Above the eyelid. Needs to be darker. More. Painting my eyes. That doesn't feel good. Yeah, definitely getting some paint on my eyeball. It's alright. It's supposed to sting. How the goblin weighted thing is. I'm pretty sure it's not harmful for your eyeballs. Okay, what else? What else? Slightly in the ears, maybe. Highlight the ridges. I want to have big goblin lips. I'm gonna do these little smudges and pimples at least. Adding some texture. This might have been a mistake. Is it a mistake? Might have been. I'm making it worse. You need to live with your mistakes. TV, please. I'm in the middle of metamorphosis. Yeah. Am I done here? Please tell me I'm done. Maybe a little with the eyes. Oh, it's a cruel master that said there's no such thing as free goblin. I'm really wanting to paint my eyelids like it bothers me. You can see the skin colored line where the eyeball meets the eyelashes, but I don't think I'm brave enough goblin to actually start coloring that. Maybe with the sponge. Yeah. So there, no. Just real eyes, and I think I'm here. I think the better camera placement would have been like in front. Okay. I need the brighter color green back in the game. I need to fix up the other half of my face. I think I'm done here. Okay, let's cut the crap. We're done here. This is today's goblin face. Would have been nice if I had some contacts, like colored ones. Okay, this is today's goblin face. It's alright. I definitely learned a lot. It was a trial. I wanted to try out how long does it take to turn myself into a goblin because we are planning to do some little skits in live action on my friend's ranch in a proper wilderness. But yeah, it's alright. Could be better, but next time it'll be faster and it will be better. Whoa, crap! Okay, yeah. I also have this goblin vest I got from a flea market. I'll turn this into a proper rags and paint myself full-on goblin mode next time. Yeah. I also have this little peasant coif that my friend actually sew from scraps, and instead of the ball gap, I was supposed to use this one. So let's see how it fits. Careful. Oh, I didn't realize the ears. The ears are on the way. It's so pretty. Crap. The ears. I don't want to make holes in it. There. Maybe if I turn it like fully upside down, or I could have this like this. No, let's try it the other way around. Maybe it will be better. No, should have used the bold cap. But I like the flappy little ears. Yeah, this will do. Anyway, this was today's goblin, and it's alright. I like the prostheses and the ears and stuff. Okay, let's move on to the news. Well now, let's see if I can get this crap out of my face. I got a feeling I want to get rid of the nose first. So the latex did at least something, but kind of funny looking, flirty looking guy. Yeah, it did definitely created this kind of film, but I didn't use it properly. I just smeared it all over and hoped for something to happen. Yeah, the nose is intact. It's all green. I suppose I should have painted it beforehand, but let's keep it like this. The nose is fine, and it didn't hurt a lot. Let's see with the ears. Oh, the ears are way more glued up. I feel like I want to just rip them off. Yeah, I need to do that. Never enough glue. My ears are full, I think. Yeah, I really need to get some ears. They go inside. So, I don't even need the remover. Let's just rip them off. Easy. Okay, now for the paint. And if I remember correctly, this paint should just come off with soap water, but we'll see. So basically I didn't even need the remover. Well, I think it's good to have. And the ear glue. Why does everything smell so funky? It's a goblin, I should like it, I guess. And this is like isopropyl alcohol. Yep, isosterate, 100 milliliters. I still feel sticky. I think I need to get rid of the paint. Let's get rid of the paint. Definitely messing everything up. This is against everything goblins stand for. Using soap, washing up. We'll be stronger next time. Next time, I'll keep living like a goblin, no matter what. Yeah, it's coming off okay. Oh man, I'm just smearing it all over again. You know what? I think I'm going to take a shower, and hopefully when I come out, I will be less green. Despite the little latex in my ear, I'm not sure if the glue actually like came off, kind of dry and sticky at the same time. I think I will dip into that isopropyl alcohol once more, get it out of my ears. But yeah, I think it was kind of a success. It was a great beta run, so next time I'm gonna be way more efficient and I'll be better. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. See ya.